In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a SoFi personal loan using this straightforward guide for 2025. Whether you're looking to consolidate debt, cover a big expense, or just need some extra funds, I'm here to walk you through every step of the process. Let's get started. To begin your journey towards securing a personal loan with SoFi, the first thing you'll need to do is visit their website. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to sofi.com. Once you're there, navigate to the top menu. You'll want to hover over the loan section and then go ahead and click on personal loans. This is your gateway to exploring the loan options that SoFi has to offer. From there, you'll see a button that says check your rate. Click on that to get the ball rolling. Now, before you can check any rates, either create a SoFi account or log into an existing one. If you're new to SoFi, you'll need to sign up. Just input your email and create a secure password. If you already have a SoFi account, simply log in using your credentials to proceed. Next, we move on to entering the details of the loan you're interested in. You'll choose the purpose for this loan, whether it's for debt consolidation, home improvement, medical expenses, or another reason that fits your needs. Then, you'll select your desired loan amount, enter your employment status, and provide your income information. This helps SoFi tailor the loan options to your financial situation. After that, it's time to provide your personal information. This includes your full legal name, date of birth, home address, and contact details like your phone number and email. You'll also need to provide your social security number. These details confirm your identity and help SoFi verify your eligibility. Once you've input all your info, SoFi will perform a soft credit check. This type of inquiry won't affect your credit score, so no worries there. After the check, you'll receive personalized loan options showing the various amounts, term lengths ranging from 2 to 7 years, and fixed interest rates available to you. When you see the loan offers, select the one that best fits your budget and needs. Review the estimated monthly payments and the annual percentage rate carefully to ensure it's a good fit. Next, you might need to upload some verification documents. These can include proof of identity, like a driver's license, passport, or state ID, proof of income, such as pay stubs, W-2 forms, or tax returns, and proof of address, which could be a utility bill or bank statement. After you accept an offer, SoFi will run a hard credit check, which might slightly impact your credit score. They will review your documents and finalize the approval process. Finally, if all goes well and you're approved, the loan funds are usually deposited into your linked bank account within 1 to 2 business days. And there you have it, your complete guide to applying for a SoFi personal loan in 2025.